Okay, our NFT, I will simplify that. The NFT is the certificate, but the question is the certificate of what? In the legal finance terms, it is commodity promissory note. That is a promise of the farmers. I can plant and I can grow a food or certain commodities. For example, 1 hectare, I can produce 8 tons, and I'm going to share to you 70% of it. But right, that is the promise. And our job, the digital, is to securitize that promise. We do a legal binding and everything, and we fractionalize it, their land. So one NFT of our NFT is equal to 250 square meters. So whatever harvested on that land, the 70% will goes to the NFT holders. It shares. Why? Because by when you buying the NFT, you do investment to the farmland. You're helping the farmers, and the farmers will give you 70% of the harvested crop, and you can sell the harvested crop in our platform, whatever you want, or you want to keep, or you want to eat it. It's free. So the NFT is act as a proof of ownership of that farmland during a certain period of time, which is the planting season until harvest season. That's it then.
Awesome. That was a very good explanation. Next one, talk about real world problems versus hype. We've seen that. Current generation, I'd say our generation, if I was my good friend Ashwanth, but his generation has grown up hearing about crypto scams, rug pulls, all those kind of things. How do you, as a real professional running a legitimate blockchain business, separate its legitimate use from all the hype? So when you decided to build Pod Digital, how did you know it wasn't tech for tech's sake and what the real problem was? So the whole concept of why you did this relative to, all the other things that people see in the market.
Okay. So it's about the protocol. That is why it's not easy to be copy paste. It's about the protocol, the security, the way to handle this. So the issue is within the normal NFT, they are everybody can create it and sell it. Let's say for the art, which is good. But when you talk about investment, it's not that simple. It's about security. It's about the trust, not just the trust from the public, but the trust from banks and insurance.